Right, this is our plant today. This is the masterwort, or Astrantia. It's always been a huge favourite of mine since I've been gardening. This is a particular variety called Gill Richardson, and Gill Richardson is known for this very dark claret cherry red colour to the flowers. And the flowers are brilliant as both cut flowers but also dried flowers. It started flowering about a week ago, and this is a plant which will go flowering right into the back of September. It really is quite amazing how long the flowering will be. They need a degree of sun, but they'll take light shade, and in terms of propagating them, you can divide established clumps, or the seed germinates quite quickly, but just be aware that they will cross with other Astrantias. The other thing about Gill Richardson is it's known for these beautiful, deep, luxurious green leaves and stems. So it's Astrantia Gill Richardson.